there, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to make your CV stand out, even if you don't have any work experience. Remember, it's not about what you did, but how you present it that matters. So let's dive right in. First up, we have a fantastic idea for those who are just starting out. Instead of listing the tasks you did in your previous jobs, use the behavioral competency framework to highlight your achievements. This framework will help recruiters see what an excellent employee you would be. Now, let's talk about education qualifications. When including your degree on your CV, make sure to include the name of the university and the qualification you earned, as well as the duration of your studies. This will give potential employers a clear idea of what you achieved during those years. Finally, if you want to change jobs without work experience, consider freelancing or volunteering in related roles. It might seem like a small step forward, but it'll give you that all-important experience that employers are looking for. Plus, it will help build up your portfolio with real-life examples of work done on projects for clients or organizations. And there you have it. Following these tips will help make your CV stand out and increase your chances of landing that dream job, even without prior work experience. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this one. Until next time.